Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today's episode, we have a very packed vlog. So I'll kick things off with an unboxing of a pair of Jordans that I've had my eye on ever since they were announced. And for me, it's like probably a strong contender, at least for my personal preference, for sneaker of the year. Because style-wise, it just speaks to me. So I'm excited to finally have it. It's not in my size, I'll just unbox it. But the one in my size is en route to the Philippines, and once I have that, I'll do a follow-up vlog where we can do an on-feet review. Apart from the Jordan 3 unboxing, we will be also unboxing a special package that was sent over to me by Brat Pack Philippines as well as Herschel. So this is the new collaboration between Herschel and Star Wars Mandalorian. So it's a bunch of really nice collab limited edition bags. And no, there will be no Carlo Cook segment for today, but we do have Carlo Eats. We're going to check out the most delectable, juicy, melt-in-your-mouth roast beef that you can buy today. Excited? I am. Let's go. I have the Jordan 3 A Ma Maniére. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'm super excited because this is a sneaker that I've always wanted. But unfortunately, this one is not yet in my size. But the good folks over at Soul Republic have promised me that my size is already en route and I should be getting it soon. So this one is just an unboxing, but in a future episode, we'll do an on-feet review of the shoe. Jumpman logo, you have the sizing over here. Women siya, so this is women. So it was really hard to get a size 13 for men because si Lerwin had to get a size 14.5 women's to be able to get this shoe for me. Hirap ng buhay niya, no? Bam! Take a look at that! This is just classy AF. It is just elegant. It's just so clean. And it's just so nice. I mean, if you take a look at the leather that they use, very luxury. It gives you the designer vibe of Louis Vuitton, Dolce & Gabbana, Prada. Those are the vibes that I'm getting with the materials and the color blocking. Oh, take a look at the Nike Air logo here at the back. Jumpman logo here at the front. Here's what the bottom looks like. You can also switch out the white laces that it comes with to off-white cream laces that you can also find inside the box. So you have that option. And if you want locks, take a look at what the inside looks like. Oh, it looks very high-end, no? It looks very expensive, and it is because the resale prices on this pair is insane. I mean, initially, before more stocks came out, I think this was selling for like over, I don't know, 60,000-70,000 pesos. But now I think it's more manageable, below 1,000 US. I had to move locations because the wife has a video call, so she's taking up the living room. But this is what the other pair looks like. So you have A Ma Maniére, I think that's how you pronounce it. A tag and then a hang tag. And then you have suede over here. I mean, it's really nice. I mean, I know not all of you are liking it. I know not all of you are digging it in the same way that I am. But that's the beautiful thing about sneakers, guys. We have different preferences. We have different tastes. And to me, this is just a big, 10 out of 10. So again, shout out to the awesome guys over at Soul Republic for sending this pair for me to unbox. Maraming salamat. And Lerwin, bro, bilisan mo naman yung delivery nung size ko. I really want to do an on-feet review of this one and figure out how to wear it. I have so many ideas and outfits that I can do with this. Super excited. Let me know what you guys think of this Jordan 3 in the comment section down below. As usual, I will try my best to reply to as many of you as possible. Hit the comments, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now before we move on to the next unboxing, we don't have a Carlo Cook segment for today, but we do have Carlo Eats because our good friend Randall Chongson actually sent over the most amazing roast beef with mashed potatoes. As in, super nice. Thank you, Randall. Shout out to Randall. I'll link down below to his YouTube channel. He talks about personal finance. Check him out. This is it. Bam! So we'll check it out, eat it, taste it, and then Randall, I will review your food, man. Okay guys, so ito na ang ating Carlo Eats segment brought to you by Randall Chongson. So we have roast beef. You see that garlic over there, the nice cuts of that high quality beef, yung oil at saka yung sauces, nakikita nyo, naku, sobrang sarap niyan. And then we have healthy looking mashed potato. So meron tayong mixed of tomatoes, onions, and then some sort of beans. Tas, sobrang creamy. Grabe, ano no, so you almost salivate just by looking at the food. So good job, Randall, with the plating. Oh, may plating nang nalalaman. Of course, we have the sauces over here. So oh, by the way, guys, if you want to order, just message Randall on his Facebook page. I'll link down below to his Facebook so you can message him in case you guys want to order the roast beef. So we will be testing the roast beef of Mr. Randall Chongson. So kuha tayo ng piraso dito. Tulagyan natin ng konting gravy. So yan na, testing natin. Melts in your mouth goodness, guys. Panalo. Masarap yung beef, di ba? Pero yung talagang panalo, if you try it with the truffle oil, truffle gravy thing that he has, grabe. As in talagang restaurant quality levels, guys, the roast beef that Randall has. So if you have a special occasion, if you want to celebrate like a birthday, a milestone, make sure to have one of his roast beef platters on your table. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Guaranteed. Okay, sarap ng lunch, no? Panalo talaga. Anyway, so we have one more unboxing as promised. This is the special package that was sent over from by our good friends from Brat Pack Philippines and Herschel. So this is the new Herschel Star Wars Mandalorian limited edition set. So you can buy this actually from their Lazada shop as well as Herschel or Brat Pack stores. I will link it down below. But yeah, let's take a look at the box. We have a nice card. Join the clan of two. Hello, Carlo. Well, hello to you too, Herschel. Welcome to our latest collection inspired by the Mandalorian series on Disney+. We designed each style with elements of the Mandalorian and Grogu. Mudhorn graphics symbolize their journey together, while custom labels feature quotes from the show. Thanks for being part of our launch. Ba-bam! We have the first bag over here, which is, woo! This is a really nice, clean backpack. So you have this Herschel branding over here at the front. You can pop it open by like so. And then it has, of course, you have the Mandalorian logo here at the top. This can fit up to a 15-inch laptop. And if we open it, I wonder what it will look like inside. Nice! So the inside is padded. So if you put your laptop here, it should be able to protect it properly. Okay, back to the bag. So you have that padded area over here. You have this pocket here at the front. So again, anything and everything that you need to bring with you, you should be able to bring with this backpack. Now, if you want something more loudly Star Wars, you do have this Grogu. It looks like some sort of like lunchbox, but I'm sure you can repurpose this into a lot of other things. You can bring your toiletries. This can be like your everyday bag. Oh, cute! That's so cute! OMG! That is friggin' cuteness in a bag. So again, you can put so many items in this one. You also have this really nice, cute, small backpack. Again, you have Grogu here at the front. And if you open it, let's see what the inside lining looks like. Again, you have him peeking from the inside of the bag. And if you want like a bigger backpack for adults, I think this one is the way to go. It doesn't have Grogu, you know, loudly emblazoned at the front. But if you open it, let's see if there's another Grogu inside, just like the other bags. Oh, multiple Grogu prints inside in yellow. So again, guys, those are the Herschel bags. There are 4 in the collection. They all look super dope, super nice. Check them out. Link down below to where you can get them on Lazada. Actually, that wraps up the vlog for today. Let me know what you guys think of everything that I showed you. I hope you're all doing fine. I hope you're all safe. And as usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.